we're into the golden pocket, and we have levels below us which we haven't lost yet. Yeah, we have the 786 and we have the 886. These are really strong fib levels. Yeah, the lower it gets, the higher the ROI on people's investments. That's just the way it works. So naturally, if it goes down, there's going to be demand. You're hitting levels of liquidity, especially this one, this 886. This 886 is going to be the key one in my mind, because you're coming to the best ROI on this token forever. Because if we make a higher low here, this is where we're going to make it, this 886. Yeah, we could make a higher low here forever, for the rest of ever, for this project. This could be it. This could be your moment of glory. This could be the trade of the ages. This could be your best trade ever, forever. This is it. I'm giving you the trade. Yeah, this could be it. We don't have to make a lower low. We could make a higher low. Yeah, this is the trade. This is the trade forever. This could make you a multi-millionaire if you take the trade. That's it. And this is infinity. This is infinity. Go up as more as you want, because this project isn't going away. The fundamentals of this project are off the charts. Yeah, just because the team are inexperienced and, you know, have made a few errors doesn't negate anything about the potential of this project, right? If we get this to $125 in the future, I don't see why we don't. Then on this simple trade, by you entering at the 886 with an invalidation of the all-time low, which is a fair trade, yeah, you're looking at a 1 to 29,000 risk to reward. This is like the best trade that you can make forever. If you hold on to $128. Is that a target within reach? Of course it is. I've calculated it. You're not on KuCoin, because KuCoin doesn't have the all-time high. But let me just do it from the all-time high, which is 1.56. Yeah, 1.55 to the low. And I'll do a fib extension. There, look at that. Perfect. It's a 1 to 2 on the fib extension. Yeah. If we overextend, we're going to the 2 to 1 rather. So you have the 1 to 1, which is the all-time high, which is here. You have the 1272, you have the 1414, you have the 1618, and then if we overextend on the fib extension, we're heading to $125. Could happen. There's no reason why it can't happen. If we see an exponential growth in the host and traveler network in the next year and a half to 2 years, if we suddenly get a spurt of increase of hosts, 1 million or more, and we see the mass media pick up on detravel, we're going to see a massive increase of volume. And because there's no volume in the highs, the price will go up. Could happen. Yeah, you could now make the best trade you've ever made. I'm giving it to you. Why would you go for the lows? Like if we make an all-time low, yeah, then there's going to be another sell-off. But this is a higher low. Yeah, this is bullish. You get a neckline break, and then we're pumping, and the moon's the limit. Literally, never have to sell. Then we'll never see these prices again. This would just go up and up and up, and next 30 cents, 30 cents, 1.6, 1.5, 5, 9, 23, 1, 2, 4, all targets. So just bear this in mind. Like, I mean, I don't want you to like get trauma in the future when you see the high prices. You didn't buy, you didn't take my trade when I offered you this token at um 23 cents, sorry, 2.5 cents, and you were waiting for the all-time low at 1.9 cents. Like, literally, that is just ridiculous. You're waiting for the all-time low, so you didn't take the trade, and it made a higher low, and you missed out. Yeah. So maybe you'll get back in. You probably won't, because psychologically people haven't got the capability to accept that they were wrong, and they all, once they form a bias, their bias sticks for a long time, and eventually the price is going to be up here at 14 cents, 15 cents, and you'll be like, oh damn, I missed it at 2.3 cents. Oh, I better leave it. And then before you know it, by the end of the bull run, we are trading in the highs, $23, whatever. And honestly, you deserve it if that's your mentality, because you're not able to analyze the charts, and you're not able to trade correctly with correct risk versus reward ratio. Like, I would easily risk 1% if I were, even if you're wrong, risking 1% here has such a high ROI that it's worth taking the risk. This trade that I'm offering you, a higher low trade into the 886, that's got a really high ROI, risk to reward ratio. Yeah, return on investment ratio. You could chuck $100 at this, not even think about it, and see what happens. Yeah, and that $100 sometime in the future could make you a millionaire, but you wouldn't take the trade because you're waiting for an all-time low. So just bear that in mind, and if you don't, it's fine, whatever.